We always bring you such amazing videos and diverse home styles that look absolutely magnificent. The sole purpose of these videos is for you to get the best ideas, so when you design your own home, it stands out as unique and beautiful. We work so hard to find these ideas just for your benefit, so you stay updated with new trends. However, I have a small complaint with you guys. You watch the videos and take ideas, but you don't like, share, or even comment. Look, friends, one shouldn't be this stingy. In today's society, we aren't asking you for money. We're just asking for a like and a share. It doesn't cost you a single penny, nor does it do any harm. But believe me, just one like from you encourages us immensely. It makes us happy, and then we create the next video with renewed passion. So, it's my request. Please do like the video and share your feedback. If you need a specific type of design, tell us in the comments, and we will bring exactly what you want to see. So let's go, friends. Let's move on to today's masterpieces. Today, I have brought you 4 such luxury homes that give the vibe of royal families and oil kings' palaces. First up is the Royal Heaven Mansion. This is an ultra-realistic luxury home shining in bright daylight. It features white marble walls and golden details. Its grand entrance with large glass doors is so magnificent, it feels like you are entering a king's paradise. Inside, the sunlight, crystal chandeliers, royal furniture, and golden mirrors give it a cinematic 8K look. At number 2 is the Golden Empire Villa. This design is full of golden details and marble flooring. It features a grand double staircase, and the chandeliers on the ceiling are sparkling like diamonds in the sunlight. Its kitchen is open style with a royal dining area. This presents a hyper-realistic and majestic view. The third design is the White Pearl Palace. This magnificent home is surrounded by beautiful gardens. Its theme is white and gold. Its bedrooms feature velvet curtains, shining marble floors, and a spacious royal living room. This design is a perfect example of eye-soothing beauty and Ultra HD quality. And the final design is the King's Horizon Mansion. This design is a masterpiece of white marble and golden carvings. The sunlight streaming through tall windows, red royal carpets laid in the hall, and a luxury kitchen with golden fittings make it unique. It has 10 royal rooms, and every room is one of a kind. So friends, these were today's royal home designs. I hope you liked them. Now quickly like the video and comment down below to tell us which of these 4 was your favorite home. See you in the next video with more amazing ideas.